Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make Threads profile private. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to make your Threads profile private, you need to tap open Threads. Once you open your Threads profile, you need to simply go to your profile on the bottom right hand side of the corner. After tapping on it, you need to tap on the two lines that are on the top right hand side of the corner. Now once you have tapped on it, you need to simply scroll down and go to privacy. After you have done this, you can tap on the private profile. Now you can simply toggle the button to the right hand side if you want to private your account, and if you don't want to private it and if you want to keep it public, you can toggle it to the left hand side. After you have done this, you can confirm by tapping OK. This will restrict your content to be to approved followers only, though it does not affect existing followers on your Instagram privacy or Threads privacy. So this is how you can make your Threads profile private. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.